Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall this prop rod in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pop the hood right underneath this kick panel here. There's a little lever. Pull that lever to release the safety on the hood. There's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the passenger side. Lift up on the hood. The prop rod is right here. Lift it up and you can put it in that slot right there. To remove the prop rod, we'll just pull it out right there. Then you're going to slide this out a little bit. You're going to twist it and slide it out. To reinstall this prop rod, we're just going to slide this in here and we'll twist it to the side. Move it up and then put it back in position, or we can put it down, lock it down, put it away. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.